Welcome to my new intro.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hello guys, what's up, good morning, good evening, good night. So people, let's start on. I'm gonna sit outside, even though you're gonna see this tomorrow. I'm gonna sit at daylight. I've been up all night. You understand? I'm not sleep yet. Girl me call breakfast. You see? Yeah. This is my plantain. My Johnny cake. I'm gonna show you all a picture right here. But yes, people, and I have a cup of tea right here. Yes guys, so before you guys go down into this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share. You know, so my bright light not on, but the outside light, the natural lights are give me a vibe. Anyway guys, I'm gonna give you all a story time today. I'm gonna done seeing the title what it's all about. The first time I lost someone close to me. I was in, what did in our Miss Dasa did? Grade 4. It was grade 4. Grade 4? I think it's grade 4. If it's not grade 4, it is grade 5. If I'm not grade 4, it's grade 3. Miss Dasa. I'm eating while I'm giving you all the story. Laptop again about too. So yes, people. Miss Dasa. VS could tell you how much I love Miss Dasa. Miss Dasa used to live when I was living in the ghetto. Miss Dasa was my neighbor. You see, when you don't know a ghetto yard stay, it's like a lot of house. But sometimes, like this house, and maybe 2 persons live on the building, but a rent place, you know. 2 persons maybe live on a house here. 2 persons maybe live on a house, and some of them 3 persons, depends if I 1 room rent or whatever. You understand? But we and Miss Dasa did on the same house, you know, but she did just in a one room. And then she have a son who living at the yard. Her son now, I'm not calling nobody name, because I don't know who the watch is. Her son who live in the yard, and she cuss her now. Cuss her a lot. I say cuss her go. I say cuss her come and talk. I'm going to poison your mother. If I give you food, I will poison you. The woman all you know. Them times she all, I not even know how much should it be. You know? I'm saying. Before I give you food, I will poison you. I say I still I know. People, I used to hear the woman cry of hunger. I used to hear her cry. You know? She used to be there crying. Oh, she hungry. You know? Yeah. She used to be crying. And so, yes, she used to be crying for hunger and stuff like that. And because me now as a little girl, me now as a little girl now, me I say, oh God, me have this care for the woman. And me I say, suppose son really poison her for true, you know? And then me start, in my head, me I say, no, me have to learn to cook. So me have to learn to cook. I'ma ask my mother. You understand? To teach me. I was in grade 3 when she passed away. Grade 3. Grade 3. Grade 3. I'ma ask my mother. I just remember. I remember I did do a surgery in grade 3. And she did pass away right after the surgery I did do. Can't forget. I asked my mother, I said, Mommy, why you teach me to cook? You know, my mother said, why you teach me to cook? But she never hesitated, you know. She turned up and saw me watch what my mother do, watch what my mother do. And you know what I used to do? I used to save my lunch money. Yeah? I used to save my lunch money. And this is so good, guys. Remember I say food and store me I go to one time. I used to save my lunch money. I used to buy 1 pound of flour every day, 1 pound of chicken back, or 1 pound of rice, or 1 pound of chicken liver. Either I mix it up both ways. Either I get flour and chicken liver, or rice and chicken liver, or flour and chicken back, or rice and chicken back. So, and I know I used to cook out rotted. Sometimes the water long so but the food tastes good. Sometimes the water long. Guys, I can't drink hot tea here, so I wait till it warm out. Sometimes the water long so. You know? Yeah. Pan the rotted meat, you know. But I still cook for her and she eat it. Anyway, one day I play marble. So I look at me, you know, but they were on a Bundong. Bundong was a place now. It's like it's coming like a 1 yard with 2 yard, you know, but a 2 different land. Like a house to the next door and a house Bundong. So we call over there Bundong. So over there become we playground. Big old playground, you know, because we have the yard, the big playground, you know. But the saddest thing, that the yard that we really live in, and that's the oldest yard on the lane. Well, the oldest. That look, let me see. I think that the yard they look the worst. With the yard that we live in, they look the worst. You know? I don't know if I ever talk. I know where I come from and where I go. And we have a Bundong. And this person come call me. And him say, I don't even know them the people that they know. I don't know them, you know, Tony. And he call me. And him say, come here, I have something to tell you. Because they detect sick and go to the hospital. Let me stop eat for telling the party here. Him say, come here. And I say, hey, I'm here play marble. And so come here, I have something to tell you. You see me? Because I was close, everybody knows somebody close to the lady. Very close. You understand? Him say, I have something to tell you. So I say, wow. Him say, Miss Dassa dead. I say, what you mean by Miss Dassa dead? He said Miss Dassa dead. I thought he was joking with me because I said she just take sick and gone a doctor. Mindful enough people. I know enough people were dead before that, you know. All family member for me, you know. And he never hit me so much, you know. Like how he hit me for the lady there, you know. it hit me for her, you know. When me tell you say it hit me when me realize say I don't lie the man I tell you know. I cry, people. I cry. Yeah, Miss Dasa. And she will make me learn to cook from a tender age because of how our son used to treat her. That's why I try to cook, and God bless me and them because I learned to cook for a good reason. I cried so much. Anyway, come time for your funeral, it was just adult going. I was the only child that went to that funeral. I was the only child that went to that. In the whole community, me the only pitney. You understand? Because she never did a bury in the area, and they never really do nothing for the people in that area get no big bus. It was our country which had to come from. She get a big funeral, you know. But everything did do our country, so it's a car then they get, and me are the only pitney they go. They get to go because me and her alone, me and her the close. You understand? So people, I've been doing good from a tender age. You see me, my miserable people, but I have one of the best art. Me, and sometimes I make people walk for me because I owe me stay. I have one of the best art. You know, I may tell you my mind, I may snap at time, but I'm a nice person. And you see, if I do something, I do it from my heart. And if I care about you, I care about you. I'm going to go an extra mile for you. I'm going to push you. You understand? Let me tell you, say that lady that did dear to my heart. She did dear to my heart. You understand? So anyway, guys, if you know this is not a part of the story, some people might say, oh, ta-na-na-na. When I was in like about 8th grade or so, guys, me not gonna really remember half rip everything, but me know say it's about, you know, say not 8th grade. I lie, me I tell. 10th grade. When I was in 10th grade, people come they wear skirt and blouse. When me then at 10th grade, it have this man who used to come round which where we come from. You know? Say my reader man. People, the food cold. So my reader man. What I pick them is to do a joke, you know. Cause you know, we not get with troublesome, you know. We are troublesome people, you know. And I say, why you don't read man? I say, come and read you. I say, me no want nobody read me. Me no want nobody read me. Me no want nobody read me. And people, I don't believe in them something there, you know. But me see they read the whole like picnic them and sitting. Tell me that say it in a joke, I say, read me, remember me a picnic, you know. And the man a grown and I get out. You know the people that are grown and I get out and say them away name there. So me say to the man, say, read me. And the man read me. What you man say? Him read me. Him tell me say, you, when I did little, you did have one old lady. Me I see one old lady with a guard you and she a guide you and she a guide you on the right path. And him say, you ever hear somebody call you, but you don't see nobody? The old lady, I just see an old lady, the guard you. It's like they close to an old lady, but she a guard you. Nobody can do you nothing. Nobody can hurt you. So the man said to me now, you know, tell him did him I do. Because from him said that now, you know, me believe the man, you know. Come here and say, yes, Miss Dasa come back to me. Remember say a couple years old, well the woman dead, you know. Cause I remember from grade 3, you know, to grade 10, you know. So imagine that, grade 3 to 10. A whole of 7 years that. And I get frightened and I start. But I not tell him nothing, you know, because I want him to tell me more. And the man said, you used to take care of her. You used to take care of her when you're a little girl. I said, Jesus Christ, I start chat. I said, yes, that's true. The man said, you ever there nowhere and you hear somebody call out your name? And when you look and you see nobody, you say enough time. Him say, she a call you, know, but don't answer. And as God as my witness here, enough time I hear my name call. I remember when I went on working experience, you know, and while I was on training, I hear my name call out loud. And when I look, I don't see nobody. You know? So anyway, him said, just don't answer, she they call you. You understand? Him say, you're a powerful girl and you see things before you happen. And God, see, I know, sometimes I dream, I fret. Because, you know, ghost people person when I dream for, you know, but it always go close. People, did y'all watch the live that I posted? Did you guys watch the live? Not the live, the video that I post. I mean, I talk about reality. I'm not pretty up, I'm not neat up nothing right now. When I watch the live, I'm going to post January the 1st. Today is now the 3rd. When this I go post. I mean, I talk about life and stuff like that. I want to see. It's like God has sent something to me. I want to see Miss Diane pass away. If you don't go and go watch it for yourself, you can see. And if you don't watch it live, you can see my eye full of tears. Because I just never feel good when I do the video. I go a party, I left the party, come home and then I just sit down and I close the vlog and I end up gone in a whole different world. You understand? Before I close the vlog, when my eyes full of tears. If you look good, you see my eye them did full of tears in the video there. Because I just feel something. You understand? That's why I tell people, appreciate life, appreciate people, appreciate your loved ones. You understand? Don't wait for people dead to tell them say you love them and you appreciate them. You understand? Sometimes we going through so much. You might see me a drive a big car, and you might see me might have money for spend, and you might see me a travel, and you might see me a do this, and you might see a person a do that. That doesn't mean say the person that have problem with them I go through. You understand? That don't mean say a person that have problems. You understand? When them I go through, a person can have the biggest house. You know? Them have problem because a lot of us believe say once a person have money, them not have no problem. Sometimes the person with the most money, them have so much. You know much time me I go through shits and me on internet I make people smile and laugh. I'm a tough it out and go through my thing, and after me done me I burst out in a tears and me I say look how me make people happy, and nobody can't even realize or say I am not okay because me put on my game face. You understand? That is me. I put on my game face. You know? Yeah. So let me get back to phone. Phone almost dead for me. I put on my game face, people. You understand? So anyway, as me I tell you now, when the man read me and the man say, you're traveling at 2 years, you know. You're traveling at 2 years. You understand? Guys, maybe come a foreign from me a pitney, you know. You think a little thing, maybe come a foreign from me a pitney. My father come down for how much away. a man rob him when we liquor and take away documents them. You know? Take away the documents them. For a little bit them if you come foreign. You understand? The man said we travel in 2 years. Yes, me did travel, but I never America. At Trinidad. That's what I show no. When the man tell me that, I traveled in exact 2 years. You see me? And when the man say what he say to me, I joke me the day I make him away in the car, me a pitney. A pitney maybe. And him if all away as pitney, I said, why you know we like get out? I said, move and go. Tell we letter number. That's how we used to be, you know. We said, tell we the letter number. We say, if you are a reader man, no, we used to say, Obia man. Go here, Obia man. You know me, I'm not Obia man. He's a reader man. Obia man different from a reader man. You know? Him say, Obia man different from a reader man. Me's not a Obia man. Me's a reader man. You know, I will still actually myself an Obia man. And to me never yet want him read me. Never stop ask me till him end up read me. You understand? And trust me, so everything my man said to me was the truth. I don't know if somebody tell him about me. I tell him or whatever. But nobody never know about me. I have to travel and something. But whatever he said to me was the truth. So people, let me tell you this. Appreciate each other. Appreciate each other. Some of us don't know, so we blessings will follow we. It's some good what we do. But then, on the feel me not go through things. Guys, me go through things. This a girl here, she go through enough things. So when I see me happy, and see me I make moves, me make my moves. Don't talk about me. Don't judge me. Don't say me I waste my money. Make me enjoy myself. When I say I want to take flights, go this or I take my flights. When I say I want to go this hotel, make me enjoy my life. When I say I go a party, when I say I do 1 million live, make me enjoy my life. You understand? Because I deserve it. Everything when me do in a life, I deserve it. And sometimes I'm telling you something. We need for sometimes, and I'm not say this in a bad way, but I'm saying it with no apology. Sometimes we have to be selfish a little bit and think about us with self. Meaning selfish, when I say that, I don't mean self to be a bad person to a next person. Meaning being selfish and say, yes, today, I now go on a YT. And as much as 100% maybe did support me yesterday, today I'm taking a me time. I mean, whether if you go eat some ice cream, or you go sit down home, and you not go on no internet none at all, and no matter what ping your ear and pang your ear, you're not looking because you take some me time. You understand? At that type of selfish thing you talk. And it have times when I take that time for myself. You see what I say? Whether if me go somewhere or me just stay home and I watch movies straight back, me hear ping pang ping. I don't care who you is. You can't get me to come look for your live or your video. I will look at, if it's a video, me look on it the next day. If it's a likes, me come get a little preview for 4 or 5 minutes and leave my likes. You understand? Yeah. If you look at watch hours, I know watch hours you look for, me put it on my laptop and me run it for a while. That's what I do. And let me tell you some people. You see, when me do things, me not look for praise. Enough people channel me go up and I run all them watch hours. And I don't tell them up until today. And I do things out of the goodness of my heart. I no good things and go say, oh, water buckle. You know somebody did come? Are you or me did refill? No. You see me? Whatever me do, God see. I get my blessings from God, not from man. You understand? So when I do anything, I don't have to come tell you say, I did do this or I did do that. So sometimes in life, people, you have to be good to people, because y'all really don't know who sometimes is behind y'all lifting y'all up. You understand? Sometimes y'all really don't know who they behind of you and I lift you up. You know, sometimes God lead me to some people channel and I reach up on them panel. People me and them not even close by YT and I reach at them channel and God just lead me there and say, yeah, you're so. And that's how me go and I can support you. But once I come your channel, I come support you know. I not pass through people channel. If I can't stay, I not really come. You understand? I tell you the truth. If I busy, because let me tell you something. Thumbs up and left and gone, it take off back. Me observe that. A lot of time me have premiere and I see whole heap of people thumbs it up. And once they don't come back to the premiere, it take off. Most of them take off. You understand? And most of them take off because YT knows that the people them don't watch it. Cause I watch it for myself and see it. Enough time I see how much thumbs up. Like all if me set one premiere before the time. I see how much. And by the time my when them start, all 10 of them gone, 15 of them gone. Once the person them don't come back, the thumbs up gone. Yeah, you don't get the views. You don't get the views. I'm telling you, you don't get it. You know? So anyway guys, I'm not going to talk no more longer in the video because it is very long. You know, it was supposed to just be about one thing, but it lead me into other stuff. You see me? It lead me into other stuff. People, I am not happy and I am happy at the same time. You know, because it have too much things that go on. Too much bad news, too much sad news. You know, and we live too dirty in this world. Like, we live so bad with each other, we don't even realize. You know? Now wait for me gone. If you tell me say you love me, like honestly to God, if me cool and close, tell me before me dead. Say, Corey, me appreciate you. And you're a good person. And you're so and so. You understand? Nobody know what death is like. I don't know if when me dead, me can know when people say R.I.P. or if people really appreciate me or really love me. You understand? Tell me, don't be afraid. Tell me, Corey, I appreciate you. You're this, you're that. You understand? Now wait for my pass. You know? That is for all of us, you know. Some of us maybe are run from it, but it's for everybody. Yeah, if we all away. It's for all of us. So anyway guys, thank you for making it live with Corey Goodas. I hope you enjoy listening to me. You know, it's all about the love. And it's all about you guys too. You know, blessings. I am out.